What if you could build, backtest and deploy a profitable crypto trading bot within minutes? What if you could do all this with minimal coding knowledge? With Crix, you can. Crix Exchange offers traders access to a Python library full of pre-written code, meaning that anyone can create and backtest infinite strategies and deploy them on live markets, all directly within the platform. Not confident with programming yet? No problem. We have collected the most popular trading strategies, enabling you to choose from a range of existing algorithms to get trading without writing a single line of code. What's more, we've partnered with reputable service providers to offer KYC, custody and liquidity solutions that you won't find anywhere else. Add this to our generous maker rebates that pay you every time you fill a limit order, and we think you'll agree it pays to trade with Crix. Find out more today at crix.io.